Hello, in this session we will go with the structures of potassium ferricyanide and potassium ferrocyanide. They look very similar. The name also almost the same except oxidation stage. So we'll discuss these two together or one by one we'll discuss once. So this is potassium. It is also potassium. Six cyanides are there. Hexacyanide. It is also hexacyanide. Anionic complex ferrate. It is also ferrate. But the oxidation state here is 3. So potassium hexacyanide 3. It is potassium hexacyanide 2. That is the only difference here. So with that difference, what are the structural changes and what are the magnetic changes we are going to get? Let us have a look. So here oxidation state of iron, consider X. Potassiums are there 3 plus 3. 6 cyanides are there, minus 6 is equal to 0. So X is equals to plus 3. In this case, if you see, plus 4 iron X minus 6 is equals to 0. So X is equals to plus 2. Oxidation states we have calculated. Then we'll go with the iron. Atomic number of iron is 26. Electronic configuration is argon. 3d6, 4s2, 4p0. This is the electronic configuration for iron. 3d6, 4s2, 4p0. If you write this in box type of structures, it will be like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 4s2 and this is 4p0. This is for iron. We are saying iron in plus 3 oxidation state. Iron plus 3 means 3 electrons gone. When 3 electrons are out, as I told you earlier, electrons first go from s orbital, then from d orbital. So it will become 3d5, 4s0, 4p0. Plus 3 means 3 electrons are to be removed. We are removing 2 electrons from here and 1 electron from here. So it will become 4s0 and 3d5. 3d5 means this is 4s0, 4p0, 3d5 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 cyanides are to come. Okay, of course 4d orbital is available if you want. If it wants, it can take. But cyanide is a strong field ligand. In the presence of cyanide, these electrons will pair up. And when they pair up, it will be like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 pairs and 1 unpaired electron. So we have 6 available orbitals now. These 6 orbitals are occupied by 6 electron pairs coming from the cyanides. Each cyanide is giving 1 pair of electrons. So the hybridization is D2sp3. The d orbitals participating are dx square minus y square dz square, of course. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So D2sp3 hybridization. So the geometry is octahedral. So it's very clear. 1 unpaired electron is present here. Because of 1 unpaired electron, it is going to be paramagnetic in nature. And as we know, when it is 1 unpaired electron, the mu value will be 1.73 Bohr magnetons under root of n into n plus 2, where n is equals to 1. 1 unpaired electron is present here. Actually, we were having 5 unpaired electrons. They became 1 unpaired electron. So number of unpaired electrons decreased. So you can say this is spin, a low spin complex. But still 1 unpaired electron is there. So you can't say completely spin paired. But low spin complex is a good word for this. Then inner d orbitals are coming. So you can say this is inner orbital complex. Low spin complex, inner orbital complex, 1.7 Bohr magnetons, paramagnetic, D2sp3, octahedral. For potassium ferricyanide, where iron oxidation state is plus 3. In potassium ferrocyanide, it is plus 2. So iron plus 2 oxidation state electronic configuration will be argon 3d6, 4s0, 4p0. 2 electrons are to be removed. We are removing electrons, 2 electrons from this side. This is iron. 2 electrons we are removing from here. So it is becoming 4s0, 3d6. As we were discussing, 3d6 means it will be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 s orbital vacant, 3 p orbitals vacant. Cyanide is a strong field ligand. It is going to make the electrons pair up. When the electrons are going to be paired up, it will be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 electrons are there. They are paired up here. 6 cyanides are there. Each cyanide 1 electron pair. The concept is same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 electron pairs are coming. Hybridization is D2, inner 2 d orbitals, 1 s orbital, 1 3 p orbitals, D2 sp3. So obviously the shape is octahedral geometry. Inner orbitals are coming, so you can say inner orbital complex. No unpaired electrons you can see. So this is going to be diamagnetic in nature. When it is paramagnetic, it is diamagnetic in nature. When it is diamagnetic, there is no mu is equal 0, and all electrons are paired. So you can say this is spin paired complex. Or you can say low spin complex, because we are expecting 4 unpaired electrons, but we are having no unpaired electrons there, so you can say that is low spin complex. Potassium ferrocyanide, potassium hexacyanide of ferrate 2. In this case it is diamagnetic. Potassium hexacyanide of ferrate 3. In this case it is paramagnetic. Almost they look very similar. That's why I am giving you as a comparison. You just have a look at this. That's it.